Mga master, nakatanggap tayo ng isang komento tungkol po doon sa cash allowance na atin pong in-upload. No, on or before July 29, hindi not earlier. Mali ka naman. So ito po, bigyan po pansin natin ito mga master dahil mahalaga po na aware tayo sa nilalaman ng mga guidelines kung kailan yung proper na start ng release ng kung ano man pong incentive, benefits, bonus na matatanggap. So dito po sa cash allowance for public school teacher, narito po yung bahagi ng DepEd at DBM Joint Circular Number 2 Series of 2021 kung saan po binanggit na itong cash allowance for teachers shall be given not earlier than the official start of every school year as stipulated in the annual issuance on the official school calendar or as may be decided by the Education Secretary or his or her designated authority in cases of emergency situations. So, nakadepende po sa school calendar kung kailan yung start ng klase, not earlier po sa start ng klase. So, for this year, ang proper, yung nasa guidelines ay hindi po earlier sa July 29. Yun po ang nasa joint circular ng DBM at ng Department of Education. Pwede lamang na mag-release na mas maaga kung mayroon pong order ang secretary ng Department of Education o kaya ay kung sino po yung kanyang na authorized representative. Pero yun po ay hindi naman po nangyari sa ngayon. Nangyari lamang po yan noong time ng COVID-19 pandemic na nag-declare si Secretary Leonor Briones na pwede mag-release ng mas maaga yung mga mayroong available funds. So, yun po ang sinasabi ng guidelines. Although, pwede po nating isipin na ideally, na yung ideal talaga ay dapat mas maaga para makapag-prepare para by start ng klase, nandun na po yung mga gamit na binili ng teacher coming from the cash allowance. So, para yung ideal ay dapat sana before the start. Pero as to the guidelines, yung sinasabi, not earlier than the official start of the classes of the school year. So, if we stick with the guidelines, yun po yung sinasabi, dapat not earlier than July 29. So, hindi po mali yung binabanggit natin palagi na not earlier than the start of the classes.